Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about multiplications. Okay, so let's start with that. Multiplications is a repeated additions. Multiplications क्या होता है? जब हम किसी भी numbers को बार बार प्लस करते हैं, is same as multiplications is called. Okay, the symbol for multiplications is like cross sign like this. Look at the following picture. Like we can see that there is a two pictures over here. These are two groups of 3 dolls each. यहाँ पर 3 dolls हैं, यहाँ भी 3 dolls हैं. Can you find how many dolls are there in all? तो यह कितनी dolls हो गई? There are 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 dolls. Yes. Okay. Now count and write how many dolls are in all. तो कितनी है यहाँ पर? हम देख सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. You know, these are 4 groups of 3 dolls each. There are 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 dolls. Thus, when we add a number again and again, we call it repeated additions. तो हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? Repeated addition कहते हैं. Repeated addition is called multiplications. Okay. Cross stand for multiplications. So using multiplications, it's written as 4 into 3 is equal to 12 and read it as 4 groups of 3 is equal to 12 like this. Okay beta? और 4 times 3 is equal to 12 और हम कह सकते हैं कि 4 बारी 3 जो हमारा आता है वो हमारा सेम होता है 12 के लिए. ओके 12 के बराबर. So I hope you understood. So next is look at the pictures and filling the boxes below them. What has been done for you? So this is a shape of aeroplane. So how many are there? 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Or we can say that 2 into 4 क्योंकि एक में 2 हैं और ग्रुप्स कितने हैं 4 है. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Okay. Similarly next one. 3 apples, 3 apples, 3 apples. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. So 3, 3, 3 कितने होते हैं? 9. So write it 9 over here. So how many groups? 3 groups and in each group 3 apples are there. So if you multiply both the number you will get the answer same. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. तो देखा आपने? Repeated addition is called as multiplications. Okay. So similarly, how many bananas are there? Bananas है हमारे 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. तो 4, 4, 4 कितने होते हैं? ये हमारे होते हैं 16. Okay. So how many groups are there? There are 4 groups and in each group how many bananas? 4. And 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Okay. So we see that if we add the same number again and again and if we multiply both the numbers of a same digits we just get the answer same. Okay. So these are the other example. You have to fill it by your own beta. Okay. So now next is write the multiplications fact for each of the following. One has been done for you. Okay. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay. So we can say that 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Similarly 4 और 4 हमारा होता है 8. Okay. So if we write 2 times 4. भाई 4 हमारा कितनी बार आया है? 2 times. तो just 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Yes. तो ये भी 8 है, ये भी 8 है. So हम चाहे बार बार प्लस करें या आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हमें आंसर सेम मिलेगा. उसी तरीके से 4, 4, 4, 4, 16 और we can say that 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 क्योंकि ये हमारे 4 हैं और एक ग्रुप में हमारे 4 आते हैं तो 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Similarly, these are the other example of that one. You have to fill it by your own. Okay. So now next is multiplications tables. Multiplications table of 2. Okay. So this is a picture of something objects like kind of brush. So these are 2. So 2 taken one time क्योंकि ये हमारा एक ग्रुप में है तो कह रहे हैं कि 2 हमारा एक बार आता है. That means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay. These are 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 means 2 taken 2 times. So 2 taken 2 times means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, 2, 2, 2. So 2 taken 3 times, 2 3s are 6, then 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. So we just see with the help of this figure we know about the table of 2. Okay. Similarly, multiplications table of 3. Okay. इसमें हमारा क्या है, 3 दे रखा है एक बारी, तो 3 टेकन 1 टाइम 3 इंटू 3. ओके. 3 टेकन 2 टाइम, 3 हमारा 2 बार है, तो 3 टेकन 2 टाइम्स 3 इंटू 6. 3 taken 3 times, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Similarly, you have to read till 3 taken 10 times is equal to 3 into 10, 30. Okay. Now, move on multiplications table of 4. So, 4 taken 1 time, क्योंकि ये हमारा जो 4 है ये हमारा एक बारी में आता है, तो 4 taken 1 time into 4 into 4. Okay. Now, 4 taken 2 times. 4 हमारा एक बार है, ये हमारे एक बार है, तो 4 taken 2 times is equal to 4 into 2, 8. Okay. Then 4, 4, 4. 4 taken 3 times, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 and till 4 10s are 40. So, this is the table of 4. Okay. You only need to do practice beta. This is very easy. Now, multiplications table of 5. Similarly, यहाँ पर हमारा क्या होता है, 5 का एक सेट बना रखा है. So, we can say that 5 taken 1 time, 5 into 5. 5 taken 2 time, 5 2s are, yes, 10. 5 taken 3 time, 5 3s are 15. Then 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30 until 5 7s are 50. You only need to do practice. Okay. Do practice, learn the table. Okay. So, now move on next one. Filling the placeholders with the help of multiplications table, one has been done for you. So, this is already done. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So, now 4 5s are 20. We just learnt about the table. Okay. 5 3s are, yes, 15. 5 5s are 25. Okay. Similarly, 4 4s are 16 and 3 9s are 27. So, these are the table of 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You only need to do practice and fill all the blanks yourselves, beta. Okay. This is very easy chapter of multiplications. So, with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So, just do practice and do rest of other question answers by yourself.